After me. I of where are you from? Okay. Hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and executive orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the nursing profession of the Philippines. And that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized nurse practitioner. So help me God.